Today we are going to discuss about how to track and monitor project delivery effectively, ensuring that your projects are delivered on time and meet the quality standards, which is crucial in the steel fabrication and manufacturing industries. Let's dive into some key strategies to help you stay on top of your projects and ensure their success. The first step in tracking and monitoring project delivery is to clearly define the scope and objectives. This involves outlining all the project requirements in detail. You need to know exactly what the project entails, including all the specifications and the deliverables. It's like having a detailed map before embarking on a journey. It guides you and helps prevent any deviations. Once you have the requirements outlined, set clear and achievable goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, which we call the SMART methodology. Setting goals gives your team a clear direction and something to aim for. It's like setting milestones on your map. They keep you focused and motivated. The second step involves developing a detailed timeline. A detailed timeline is essential for tracking project progress. Create charts or bar graphs to visually represent the timeline. Tools like Gantt charts are particularly useful as they show the start and the end dates for each task and how they overlap. Visual representations makes it easier to understand the project flow and identify any potential bottlenecks. Break the project down into key phases and establish clear timelines for each phase. This helps in managing the project more effectively and ensures that each phase is completed on time. Think of it as breaking down a big task into smaller, manageable chunks. It makes the project less overwhelming and easier to handle. The third aspect involves assigning roles and responsibilities. Assigning roles and responsibilities is crucial for accountability. Start by identifying all the team members involved in the project. Make sure everyone knows their role and what is expected of them. It's like forming a sports team. Everyone has a specific position and a responsibility. Clearly define accountability for each task. This means specifying who is responsible for what and ensuring they understand their responsibilities. Accountability ensures that tasks are completed efficiently and on time. It's like assigning a player to a specific position on the field. They know their role and are accountable for their performance. The next point involves monitoring the progress. Monitoring progress is essential to keep the project on track. Hold daily meetings to discuss the status of the project. These meetings provide an opportunity to address any issues and ensure everyone is aligned. It's like having a daily huddle in sports. It keeps the team focused and motivated. In addition to daily meetings, provide regular updates on the project progress. This can be in the form of a weekly or a bi-weekly report. Regular updates keep everyone informed and ensure that any potential issues are addressed promptly. It's like providing regular progress reports in school. It keeps everyone informed about how things are going. The next point involves establishing quality standards. Establishing quality standards is crucial for ensuring the project meets the required specifications. Define the quality standards that need to be met for each task. This includes the materials to be used, the level of precision required, and any other specific information. It's like setting the rules of the game. Everyone knows what's expected. Create checklists to ensure that all quality standards are met. Checklists are a great way to keep track of what's needed to be done and to ensure that nothing is overlooked. It's like having a to-do list. It keeps you organized and ensures you don't forget anything important. The next point involves implementing a review process. Implementing review processes such as peer reviews is an efficient way to maintain quality. Have team members review each other's work to ensure it meets the required standards. Peer reviews provide an additional layer of scrutiny and help catch any errors before they become larger issues. It's like having a teammate review your work. They might catch something you might have missed. The next point involves facilitating open communication. Open communication is key to successful project delivery. Encourage team members to address any issues promptly. The sooner an issue is identified and addressed, the less impact it will have on the project. It's like fixing a leak before it becomes a flood. Early intervention prevents bigger problems. Encourage transparency within the team. Everyone should feel comfortable sharing their progress, challenges, and any concerns they have. Transparency builds trust and ensures that everyone is working towards the same goal. It's like being an open and honest in a relationship. It builds trust and strengthens the bond. In conclusion, by following these strategies, you can effectively track and monitor project delivery, ensuring your projects are completed on time and meet the required quality standards. Defining scope and objectives, developing a detailed timeline, assigning roles, monitoring progress, establishing quality standards, implementing review processes, and facilitating open communication are all key to successful project management. Thanks for joining me on this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them on the comment section. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.